princess was playing with her golden ball. The ball dropped into the water. The princess was crying because she cannot find the golden ball. The frog asked, "Why are you crying, princess?" The princess answered, "I lost my golden ball." The frog asked, "What will you give me if I find the golden ball?" The princess said, "You can have everything you want." The frog wants to sleep on your bed and eat on your plate too. Suddenly, the frog appeared with the golden ball. The princess took it and ran to the castle. The king told the princess to keep her promise to the frog, so she let the frog and eat on her plate. After eating, the princess went to her room. The frog followed her and asked her to lift me up on the bed. The frog turned into a handsome prince. The prince thanked the princess for breaking the spell. The prince and princess fall in love with each other and they live happily ever after.
Very good.
Wow.
Uy,
Wow.